So I've been working in IT for about 25 years now. My specific, well, I wouldn't say job area is cloud, architecting cloud solutions. But I've just been using it for clearing up misunderstandings about certain aspects of the cloud. So it's only now that I'm actually sitting down to start going through the content. The thing that I'm doing at the moment is to go through and use it to get my Azure certification. Once I've done the Azure certification, I'd like to go on and do the Google Cloud certification, Kubernetes and AWS DevOps. I've been using these technologies, but I now need to get some certifications to show prospective employers that, yes, I understand this technology. It's putting me on the right path to complete my goals in terms of certification. So at the moment, it's Azure, but I know that Cloud Academy also covers Google, it covers Prince, it covers Kubernetes. Some of the other stuff I haven't really had a chance to look at, but I'm hoping that Cloud Academy would cover some of the programming languages like C# or Python. I have seen modules on Python, but yeah, those are some of the aspects that I would like to delve into at some point in the future as well. But what I am finding that's quite good is the bite-sized way that Cloud Academy have put things together, which is quite good because you can jump in and out of things. So certain learning paths, you can learn specific modules. If you're fine with other aspects of the learning path, you can jump into specific modules and learn in depth. I also like the way that once they've completed that module, they give you additional information or learning URLs to update your knowledge if you're not fully clear with what's been said or done in that module. For instance, networking, if I'm covering something in networking, they will turn around and say, here's the URL that you need to go to get some more deeper understanding of networks or load balancers, something like that. So I'm finding that the best way to go is to just follow a learning path. If you have any questions, they'll be answered by the learning path or by the additional information that you're told to read up on. So I follow the learning paths and I'll just go through them one by one. So I follow them in the order that's been set out. Rather than jumping from one to the other, I think there must be some logic behind the way that it's been set out so that when you're going through the learning paths further on down, if you haven't covered previous modules, some aspects won't be clear. So I tend to follow the logical structure of the learning paths and the way they've been set out. I just thought it'd be easier just to pay in one go, and that way if I need it, it's there, rather than having to go through the process of signing up. If I'm not using it, cancelling it, signing up, etc. Well, some people are fine with the monthly subscription. For me, with the discount, it worked out better to just do a yearly subscription. I've signed up for the webinar for the certified Kubernetes administrator. I think that's due, I don't know when that's due, I've got to check my emails, but a webinar on how and what you should be focusing on to pass the administrator exam for Kubernetes.